Welcome to another episode of High Events, which is one of the most anticipated events in this year. It's none other than the launch of iPhone 13 with brand new features at the Sri Lanka's authorized reseller Genex. So with that, stay tuned. Let's see what's happening inside. So right now I'm with one of the main people who's behind this launch, who's the CEO of Genex, Rajiv Gunaratna. Hello, sir. What I would like to ask you is that what's so special about Genex? Why is there so many people who's purchasing so many products from Genex?
Yeah, I think, first of all, let me put it this way. Genex Store is an Apple authorized reseller, a status given by Apple, just to get Apple consumers to come and experience all the devices. So we have all the products today, so people can come and basically experience the products. And that's the main objective of having Apple authorized reseller state. So this is the Apple launch today. So the official Apple launch is happening today here at the Genex Store.
So from what I know, you've been in business for over 4 years, and just by 4 years, you got the authorization by Apple. So what made that success?
So basically, we have been with Apple for some time. Our head office, Genex in Singapore, is one of the distributors for Apple. So we have been basically doing our distribution plus, having the Genex Store, and we have the Apple Authorized Service Center as well. So actually, because of that, I think we have given so good numbers, and then the distribution went well. So now that's why, Apple has given us the status. So that's why the official launch is happening here today.
Okay. When we compare Genex and so many other stores, why would our customers should come to Genex and purchase iPhone or any other product they want to purchase?
Yeah, from the day that we went on pre-order, 1 week before, we have come out with some exciting offers. So that's why I think you can see a lot of people are gathered around here today because of our offers. And then I think the consumers now know that they can come and experience iPhone 13 over here. I think that is one of the main things.
Would you like to reveal one of those offers, or maybe tell the customers where they can see those offers from?
If you go to Genex Store at Facebook page or Instagram, you can see all the offers which we have given. I'll just give you one indication about offer. Now, if you go for iPhone 13 with 24-month installment, you get 2 months waived off. So that's a huge amount. And then you get some other offers as well as 200 GB. Mobitel is offering 200 GB data free. So likewise, there are a couple of more other offers as well for consumers.
So as you know, there are multiple offers that you can get when you come to Genex. Well, today with me, it's none other than Nadini Premadasa. I will start off by saying this. I will ask you, were you a loyal customer to Apple?
Yes, I'm always an iPhone fan, and I was waiting for the new phone. Every year I'm waiting for the new phone. So I came here to take my iPhone 13.
So I'm assuming you were very excited until the iPhone 13 came out.
Yes, because I really like iPhone. I'm used to iPhone because I'm an iPhone person all the time. So I'm excited. Now. Still, I didn't use it, so I'm waiting to use my one and experience it.
Nadini, I will ask you some sort of a personal question, which is, you're a singer, right? So will you be using the iPhone maybe to go live on Facebook or Instagram, or for your personal use?
Yes, all the time, because I'm always with the social media. We have to keep in touch. So I also work as a influencer. So I do a lot of videos, I get a lot of photos. So the iPhone is, I think, most of the time, this is the most valuable thing for me with my career.
So I will ask you, is there a particular reason why you purchased it from Genex?
Because of the warranty, and also that is the authorized dealer. And also we get a lot of discounts, and we get the good quality product.
Well, with me, it's a well-known person in Sri Lanka. It's Sanath Jayasuriya. Today, he's with us not to speak about cricket, but to speak about a launch, which is the iPhone 13. So, Sanath, why Genex Store?
I think Genex is the authorized a dealer here in Sri Lanka. So when you buy something, you need to have the people who can authorize the product is much better. After service, after sales, everything will be looked after by Genext. So I think for me, it's better to go with Genext because they are the authorized dealers. So that's my personal thing, and it should be the way others also, because you have the guarantee with Genext.
Well, he's definitely promoting Genext too because it's the authorized seller in Sri Lanka. So with that, Sanat, were you very excited for the iPhone 13? Are you a loyal customer for Apple?
Yes, I am been a very long use of iPhones, and I think I'm looking forward to get iPhone 13. So I'm a loyal customer of iPhones, yes.
Well, with that, I would like to ask you, will you be using it in the future for your, career purposes, to do videos and, to educate people?
I do a lot. Even at the moment, I'm with iPhone, so I'm doing a lot of work with iPhone. Even in the future, yes, I am going to do with iPhones.
So now I'm with Danesh Jayatilaka, who is a very loyal customer to the Genext store. I will start off asking this: why Genext store?
Simply because of their service, the way they understand their customers. Simple as that.
And were you very excited for this launch or for the iPhone 13? And what was the part that you were most excited about?
Yes, I would say I go for each and every launch, basically. The camera quality, the features, unmatchable. So you don't get all these features from any other phone. I would say very much addicted to iPhone.
So you are someone who keeps on buying whatever the new iPhone that comes out, I'm assuming.
Precisely, yes. Last time I got two devices, this time one. So at each and every launch, I go for the latest.
Do you think Genext store has multiple offers to attract the new customers, to promote it to the customers, so it gives a chance to everyone to purchase it?
Yes, because see, if you really see the installment schemes and what they give you as offers, that shows how much they have understood their target segments. And I saw a lot of decision makers in the fraternity today. So despite of their busy schedule, they are here. So there must be a reason. And yeah, I would say they have delighted the customers so far.
With me, who is someone we always notice. So, Ureni, why Genext store? Why have you chosen Genext store to purchase the iPhone?
Well, Genext has always been the go-to authorized reseller, especially for iPhones. I've always purchased my iPhones from Genext. They take, they're very reliable, and their after service is the best, And also they have exclusive offers like throughout the year. So if you visit Genext website, you'd always see exclusive offers to their clientele. So they always go extra mile to take care of their customers, to give them the best. So I think Genext has always been my first option, and also they have an entire range. I mean, if you take the iPhone and iPhone range and everything else, when it comes to all the other products as well. So Genext is best, and that's why we always go to the best, and we're always with the best.
Also with that, you are someone that we always see on social media with stories and posts and everything. So will you be using the iPhone 13? Are you excited about the new camera feature?
Yes, I've heard so many reviews about the new iPhone 13, so I'm super excited to use it and see how the features function and what are the new specs that iPhone 13 has. So let's see. I'm super excited to use the iPhone 13 and explore it all.
Well, it's the end of our show, High Events, and with that, you should have gained that so many well-known people are purchasing the iPhone 13 today itself from Gen X. So with that, you should know if you want to purchase iPhone 13, you should definitely visit Gen X because they have multiple offers for this brand new phone. With that, I'm Satma Nugera. This is High Events.